Hi, I'm Anjana, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Bangalore. Today, I'll show you how to resolve the Hive invalid metadata error when your Amazon Athena query fails because of duplicate columns in the table schema. Let's get started. Hive invalid metadata. Hive metadata for table is invalid. Table descriptor contains duplicate columns. This error occurs when the AWS Glue table schema contains duplicate column names or columns with the same name as partition columns. To identify duplicate column names, we can run the show create table command to view the table schema. In this example, we see that there are two columns named column 1 that are causing the issue. To fix this, we must recreate the table with unique column names. We can do this directly in Athena with the create table statement. Or we can rename the columns in the AWS Glue console. To do this, follow these steps. Open the AWS Glue console. Select the table. Choose Edit Schema. Rename the duplicate column. Choose Save and save. The other scenario is when a table column and a partition column have the same name. For example, the ID column here exists as both a table column and a partition column. To resolve this, we have a few options. Rename the partition column in the Amazon Simple Storage Service path. Rename the table column. If the source is JSON, then use the mapping function to recreate the table instead of the crawler. Let me demonstrate the steps to set up a proper mapping function for this case. For JSON data, we also need to check if any keys differ by case only, such as username capitalized and username lowercase. Athena treats these as duplicates by default. For Parquet data with duplicate columns, we can set the parquet.column.index.access property to true and then rename one of the columns. For more information about handling duplicate columns, see the Knowledge Center article linked in the video description. In summary, check for the duplicate columns, columns that match partition names, and case-sensitive issues. Then, recreate the table schema accordingly. Now you know how to resolve the Hive invalid metadata error when your Athena query fails because of duplicate columns in the table schema. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.